Dropshipman is a popular e-commerce platform that's used by many successful dropshippers. In this video, I'm going to review Dropshipman across several different categories, including pricing and subscription costs, integration with other e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, as well as automation features and so much more. Keep in mind that choosing the wrong platform to host your e-commerce business can be a huge waste of both time and money. But if you watch this video all the way to the end, you will have all the information you need to decide if Dropshipman could be the right platform for your business. Now, for your convenience, I've actually included the link to Dropshipman in the description below so you can check it out. Let's talk about product sourcing and suppliers. Dropshipman partners with global suppliers offering a wide range of products. Their focus is on ensuring product quality and availability through reliable suppliers. Each supplier is vetted to meet Dropshipman standards, ensuring that merchants have access to high quality products that meet the customer's expectations. Let's talk about pricing and fees. So you can't actually see it right on the website here. They don't have a pricing section, but if you go to this website here, it tells you that you can also see that here that you can get started with Dropshipman for free. So they have a free plan, and then you can upgrade to Pro at $29.90 per month, and they have a Plus plan at about $50 a month. Now the pricing is quite transparent. There's no additional fees, and you also get lots of value for your money. So you can definitely check it out. It's completely free to try, and you can use the link in the description. Let's talk about integration and automation. Dropshipman integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce. It offers robust automation features for order processing and inventory management, which reduces the need for manual tasks. Automated features include price and stock level updates, order tracking, and notifications for out-of-stock items. Let's talk about user interface and experience. Dropshipman features an intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. The user experience is enhanced by a well-designed dashboard and helpful tools that streamline the dropshipping process. The platform also offers customization options, allowing users to tailor their dashboard to fit their specific needs. Let's talk about customer support. Dropshipman customer support is available in many different ways, as you can see right here. So they've got this little chat bar right here where you can find answers for frequently asked questions, and you can also directly live chat with them, and they'll usually get back to you within a few minutes during business hours. You can also email them if you need immediate help with chat. You can browse the FAQ section, and so there's many different ways to contact them. They have 24/7 customer support, which is super convenient. Let's talk about shipping and delivery. Dropshipman offers multiple shipping operations with various delivery times depending on the supplier's location. Tracking is available for all shipments, ensuring transparency and reliability. Dropshipman works with reliable carriers to ensure timely and secure deliveries. Let's talk about market research and analytics. Dropshipman provides basic market research tools to help users identify popular products and market trends. These tools are crucial for making informed inventory decisions. Users can access sales reports, customer insights, and trend analysis to optimize their product offerings. Let's talk about returns and refunds management. Dropshipman has clear policies for returns and refunds. Users receive support in handling these processes efficiently, ensuring customer satisfaction and smooth operations. Dropshipman also provides resources to help users create effective return policies that align with their business goals. Let's talk about trust and security. Dropshipman employs strong security measures to protect user data and transactions. This builds trust among its users and ensures a safe dropshipping environment. The platform is compliant with industry standards, and they regularly update their security protocols. Let's talk about value-added services. Dropshipman offers additional resources such as marketing tools, product customization options, and educational materials. These resources support users in growing their business and enhancing their dropshipping strategies. Dropshipman also provides access to exclusive deals and discounts from suppliers. Now at this point, if you're not happy with the way your business is running, you have two options, and I made a little meme here to drive my point home. Let me just zoom in because I'm too cheap to purchase this. So So as you can see here, you've got two options. You can be this guy or you can be the Chad. So what's the difference here? Well, the Chad runs his business like a machine using cutting edge tools to free up his time. He works on his business, not in it, right? Chad is the guy who, if he sees a great software or a great tool to add automation to his business, if he can free up his time, he's going to do it. He doesn't want to use clunky software that breaks. He doesn't want to have to manually add data or, make changes and things like that. He doesn't want to have to manually issue refunds on his own, like at 3 a.m. in the morning, right? He sets up systems. What does this guy do? Well, he does manual labor because he's too lazy to use high leverage platforms. He's basically a slave to his own business, right? His business, he's working in his business, basically an employee. He doesn't actually run the business. He's just working in the business because he doesn't have automations. He's not using powerful softwares and leverage tools to free up his time and run the business on autopilot. So you can decide which one you want to be. If you're not happy with the way your business is running, if your tools are clunky, I would recommend being the Chad and making a change. I've included all relevant links in the description of this video so you can check them out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.